How would you like to make $150 per day in free passive income on Autopilot? That's right, I'm talking free PayPal money, set it and forget it, let it run, make $150 per day. Of course, you can always make more than $150 per day using this method I'm going to show you, but if you follow along to the 3 steps that I'm going to reveal in this video, you should have no problem making an extra $150 per day for free in passive income. And in the process, you'll be helping some hardworking YouTuber make their videos go viral. So it's a win-win for everybody. And don't worry, you don't have to make any videos. You don't have to have a YouTube channel. You don't even have to have a YouTube account. All you have to do is make sure you watch this entire video and don't skip ahead, because there's some very important steps that if you miss them, you won't make any money whatsoever. And the final step at the very end of the video is the most important one. That's the money-making step. But before we get into this, make sure you show this channel some love and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's completely free. You know, a lot of time and energy and effort and research goes into these videos that we try to bring you every single day. We bring it to you free of charge. So hit us with a subscribe, hit us with a like, and we'll get into this right now. Sprizzy is a service that YouTube creators can pay to get more views on their videos or more subscribers to their channel. Now, like I said, don't worry, you won't be paying any money, you won't be starting a YouTube channel, you won't be making any videos, you don't even have to have a YouTube account. But this is a great service for anybody that wants to start a YouTube channel and wants to quickly get thousands of views on their videos and a bunch of subscribers. So it really is a valuable service for anybody trying to get attention to their YouTube channel. And the minimum cost for this service is $50, but for just $50, somebody with a YouTube channel can expect to get anywhere from 1,000 to over 2,000 views on their video, which makes this extremely affordable and very valuable for anybody trying to get more views or subscribers to their YouTube channel. Being that this is such a valuable service to YouTubers, this is a great opportunity for anybody that wants to make some easy passive income online. And we're going to do that by scrolling all the way down to the bottom here and finding this button right here that says Affiliate Program. By joining their affiliate program, we will make 20% on every sale we can bring them. And with a minimum cost of $50 to the YouTuber, that means we will make at least $10 per sale. Which may not sound like a lot of money, but consider the fact that if you get 5 people to sign up, you just made $50. If you get 10 people to sign up, you just made $100. So your first step is to fill out all this information and sign up and generate your affiliate link. Now I'm going to show you how to get a lot of traffic and a lot of clicks on that affiliate link so you can start making money. And to do that, we're going to start with Google, and we want to type in how to grow a YouTube channel. From here, we want to find a simple article or a simple list that we can take and place our affiliate link within. And right away, I think this one looks good. Best ways to grow your YouTube channel. Let's see how many items they have here. And this looks perfect. 8 simple tips to growing a YouTube channel. This is exactly what we want. We want it to be simple, not too much material to read, somewhere where we can easily place our link within. So what we want to do is save this in a tab and open up a new tab. And we want to go to Google Docs. We want to click right here on Google Docs, and that will bring up the Google Document service. And what you want to do from here is just click on a blank document so we start brand new and fresh. From there, let's go back over to this article, and we want to copy all this stuff right here. Okay, so let's copy all that, and then we'll just paste it right over here in this new doc like so. So we have our original article right here, and what I added in was this number 7. Use this service to promote your channel, and then this is where you would insert your Sprizzy affiliate link. I also added a title, 7 tips to growing a new YouTube channel. So remember, we only got 6 tips from that article. We added in a 7. So now we've got something we can use here. So let's go ahead and download this article. We'll come right here to File, and then we'll come down to Download right here, and we want to download it to a PDF document and save it either to your files or your desktop. The first thing we're going to do with that document is come to Facebook groups, and you want to type in YouTube. Then you'll see all these different groups related to YouTube, channels, monetization, and otherwise, YouTube subscribers. There's a bunch of these. You want to join as many of these as possible and post that document right away. If you post that link in the form of a document like we set it up, this won't look fishy. You can't just go in here and say, hey, check out this link and get more views, get more subscribers. It looks more professional and less suspicious if it comes in the form of a document. So you can see that you can take all day and post that to every one of these, and you're easily gonna get at least 10 people to sign up, and you just made $100. That's the first thing you're gonna do with this document. Now, the real money maker with this affiliate link is to come to YouTube itself and type in YouTube growth. Now, what we want to do here is after you type in YouTube growth and all these videos will come up, we want to come to filters right here. Hit filters, come right over here to where it says type, and then hit channel right here. That's going to bring up all the different channels related to YouTube growth. And we can see that there's a lot of them here. This is a very popular niche. Now, full disclosure, let me tell you a little secret about YouTube channels. Anybody that starts a YouTube channel, they want to get paid for that eventually. But to do that, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours, okay? So I'm gonna help you save a bunch of time here. You want to stay away from the ones that maybe have like 1 subscriber, 1 video, okay? These people probably started their channel and forgot about it. The ones we want to concentrate on are the ones that have maybe 170 subscribers, 264 subscribers. These are people that probably are paying attention and working on their YouTube channel. So these are the ones we want to search out, and there's 2 right here in the first 3 that we can use. So what you want to do is just click on this channel right here. You want to go to videos, and that's going to bring up all their videos. Now you want to click on their first video, okay? The first one that you see come up, that'll be their latest one, and we can pause it. You don't have to watch it, okay? Very important that you go to the latest video that they uploaded. Now right here at the comments, you can put a comment right here that says, hey, I noticed that you've only got 264 subscribers. Check out this link if you want to reach 1,000 subscribers, okay? That's very important. Click this link if you want to reach 1,000 subscribers quickly. And trust me, if you go through all of these channels, the ones that, like I said, haven't been forgotten about, you're gonna get tons and tons of clicks on that affiliate link, okay? So now I need you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button on this channel if you haven't done so already. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, give this video a like, drop us a comment if you want. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.